The speed measurement module having photoelectric and magnetic sensor is used both. Here is the main trainer kit and one jig having magnetic sensor is placed for the speed of the disc, and the second photoelectric method, here is the photoelectric sensor is placed. Power code and instruction manual. First of all, you have to read carefully instruction manual. Here on the front panel of the trainer, this is the switch for the magnetic sensor and photoelectric sensor. You can measure the speed and working of one sensor at a time on this trainer, but this trainer is capable to measure the speed for both the sensor. So you have to choose with this switch whether magnetic sensor is connected over here or whether photoelectric sensor is connected over here. Here is the main on off switch. First of all, you have to connect supply here, power cord 220 volt AC, 50 hertz frequency. Switch on the instrument, it's working. Now you have to choose firstly magnetic sensor. Here the magnetic sensor connections code is there. These black and red for the power supply. Here is the DC motor at the back side to rotate the disc, and the sensor as per the color coding. We have to connect yellow and this as per the 4 mm color coding. Put magnetic sensor side, switch on the instrument. This button is the RPM. What will happen? This is the for the motor speed, to vary the speed of the DC motor, and the disc will rotate according to that speed. Here is the reset, push to count, that is for the speed counter. What will happen? Here is the power supply for the sensor. The signal will come this wave shaping circuit, multiplication, multiplier, counter, and on the DPM. Here is the sensor, and here we have provided the metal to sense the magnetic sensor. Switch on the minimum, switch on the main trainer, increase the supply for the motor rotating, and wait. Here we get the signal over here, and here is the RPM is measured as per the motor speed. You can increase or decrease the RPM. All the theory and the circuit description is in the manual. Use the knob very slowly. Here we get the speed to increase or decrease. And for the photoelectric, firstly switch off, disconnect all the connections for the magnetic sensor. Here we have the sensor, photoelectric sensor connections, same color coding according to the color coding. Here is the sensor connection, here is the supply connection for the motor for rotating the disc. In photoelectric, there is the holes is in disc for sensing the photoelectric. So and put this switch on photoelectric sensor side. Now switch on the main instrument. Here is the DC variation motor speed control, and the sensor output goes to same way, and here we can measure the RPM using photoelectric sensor. Suppose you have to measure the speed, put in speed size, firstly reset it, then push to count and use the stopwatch for which time, then stop, and the calculation is given in the manual. For the RPM, it goes to this, reset this and give the value of the speed. You can increase or decrease the speed with the help of this. In this way we can study the magnetic and photoelectric speed measurement with this kit.